Here's a new 2025 Chrysler Pacifica. It's fun to drive with plenty of room, plenty of style, and plenty of features designed to make your life easier, all wrapped in a stylish package. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, AM/FM satellite radio, wireless phone connectivity, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. Since 1925, Chrysler has done more than just make vehicles. It has made history. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.